Have you always felt this inner urge to build an online business, to build something for yourself and leave a legacy behind? Have you ever had that urge to, and knowing that you are meant for more? Hi there, my friend. My name is Errol, just an ordinary dad, nobody special. I was tired, frustrated, broke, stressed out of my mind, and I needed to find a way out. I was missing time with my boy, and I managed to build a six-figure business online from the comfort of my own home, around my family, getting my income earning activities done in about 2 hours a day. And I want to share all that with you, and I'll tell you why. You want to get a job, something that pays the bills, my friend. Doesn't matter, don't let pride get in the way. Take any job, get something that pays the bills, and then while the bills are being paid, take the chance, take the risks, build a business, start somewhere, and build yourself an online business, my friend, especially something in the digital marketing range. And I'll tell you why. Because you get to keep and earn 100% of the profits depending on how you do it. Now I can show you how you can earn 100% profits, meaning you pay nobody a single cent. All the profit goes into your pocket. Then you've got different programs where you can earn 60% commissions, 50%, 25%. It all just depends. Now, if you want to start the right way, I'm inviting you to join my free community. It won't cost you a single cent. All you need to do, and I'd love to share my community with you, it's just comment the word yes.